Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up HrFlow Action Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your page and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the Smart Queue video, which is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup. Here, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. Firstly, you're going to click on Start Setup and you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, you're going to click on Settings and you're simply going to copy your API secret and head over back to your account. You're going to paste your API key and right here, you're simply going to enter your user email for your HrFlow account. Click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the Level Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. Here, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.